GHRS is trending. So to ZBIO, MOBX, and MNTS. GHRS up 42.75%. The usual 50 day volume is around 321,000. It has moved 2.323 million shares so far. It is also optionable. Let's see whether we can see anything on the option speed for GHRS. Obviously, these will be Friday's data, Friday the 2nd, nothing here. Okay, so as of then as of, I mean, Friday the 2nd of January 2026, the algos, the extrapolation was that it was going to have what is going on right now. It was going to, yeah, it was going to maintain the strength it picked up as of the 30th of the 31st New Year's Eve. It was going to maintain it up till the 12th of January, and so far so good. But it is way beyond what is extrapolated. It was actually saying it was going to be trading below its 40-day moving average, but right now it is about to retest its 52-week high of $19.52. Yeah, okay, so that's what's going on right now. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart, which has reflected what's going on right now. Yeah, okay. As things stand right now, the extrapolation is saying that a contraction is expected all the way towards the 12th of January, close of that, the close of the trading session of that day. And then after that, the uptrend may resume. Okay. Projections are currently saying nothing to the upside. Let's see. Now we haven't gotten the news. GH research jumps after FDA lifts a clinical hold on depression drug trials. Okay, FDA lifts its clinical hold on GHRS experimental depression drug GH001, allowing the company to enroll US patients on trials. Company plans to meet with health regulator to finalize design of its global late stage program. Yeah. Okay. So I think in as much as I don't exactly know all the fundamentals concerning the stock, if it's still a clinical stage, okay, it was actually halted at some point. This is still the pre-market session. Yeah. If it's still a late stage, if it's still a clinical stage company and hasn't not no drug, no commercial drug yet, then expect a pullback to happen. Expect one to happen. Yeah. ZBIO down 45.83%. It has already surpassed its 50-day average. Let's see what we have. Yeah. As a matter of fact, the weakness that's currently playing out now began on Christmas Eve. Yeah. Lower prices. Okay, before we get, let's see whether we can get the news. Zenas Biopharma immune disorder drug meets main goal in late stage trial, but something may have happened. Okay, it's experimental drug caught the risk of disease flare-ups in a late-stage study of patients with a rare immune system-related condition that can damage organs over time. The company said that patients who received the drug candidate obexelimab saw a 56% reduction in the risk of flare-ups related to immunoglobulin 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 G4 related disease. Yeah. Okay. Compared to placebo over a 52-week period, meeting the main goal of study. Okay. Something happened. The drug also performed better than placebo. Okay. Let's see now. It was tolerated with known. Okay, the company plans to seek approval from US. Okay, this year. Or is it what's going on? I mean, is it okay? Maybe it's a case of setting the news. Cut the risk of flare by 50%, meeting all endpoints with the states. Okay. Well, it's down on a positive note. Okay, let's see. Well, in any case, this is what we are dealing with right now. Lower prices expected to remain in place the- up till the 6th of January. To us, that's tomorrow. Then after that, a bounce is expected, but maybe rejected as well. Let's have a look at its daily chart. Okay, underlying trend strongly bullish. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it has now dropped below its 200-day moving average. We'll see how all of this will pan out. Okay, MOBX up 50.85%. 94 million shares have crossed the tape. Let's see what we have. It's quite a low float. Its effective float is around 1.49 million. It has already printed more than 10x that volume. Yeah, more than 10x, even more than 20x. Yeah, more than 20x that volume, that average volume. Let's see whether we can find what's going on with MOBX. MOBX. Severely bearish. Yeah, let's see. And they, well, severely bearish, but okay, let's see whether we can find the news. On the line trend is severely bearish, no news here. Okay, let's see what is going on its 4-hour chart, which is reflecting what's going on right now. Yeah, let's see. Is it a case of pump and dump? MOB. Okay, what's it called again? What's the name of the company? They announced military approved facility expansion to boost defense manufacturing. Veteran defense GM appointed to lead execution. MOBX Labs powered up US defense operations. Veteran defense GM takes the helm. Bigger military approved. Bigger military approved facility expansion planned. Okay, that's the news there. I think. Yeah, effective float, very tiny. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that he might maintain the strength at least up till the 7th of January. Then after that, it's a consolidation that is expected. Momentum is also expected to remain elevated as well up to the 7th of January. And then after that, it may begin to decay and the stock may drop below its 10 period moving average that is currently rising at the pace of 31. What is it rising at the pace of 30.944 dollars. Okay, yeah. hmm every 4 hours. Okay, so let's see. The stock is not up to not trading up to a dollar. Okay, so well, we'll see how it goes. That's the pace at which it's rising. Yeah. Okay, because at um it was at a negative as of Friday. So yeah, that's why it looks so magnified. You may be wondering the stock is not trading at not even up to a dollar, but it's the price pressure momentum is at the pace of $30 every 4 hours. Yeah, because it has gone into the negative and it's recovering from those pace, so it will give you such a reading. Yeah. MNTS up 49.13%. Also a big day for the stock as well. 50-day average usually 522 million. So sorry, 522,000. It has already printed more than 10x that. Momentum shares are trading higher after the company announced the development of an additive manufactured fuel tank that is scheduled to perform flight testing aboard um, was it, I don't know that what this is. It's I or V. Okay, it's orbital service vehicle. Okay, MNTS. Okay, so here let's see whether we can get a news here as well. Yeah, see, no news here. Okay, it seems it is an effectively a low float as well. You can see this is the average that this is the volume that has been affecting the price of the stock over the last 50 trading sessions. So it is effectively a low float. The float could be bigger than this. I don't exactly know what it is, but this is the floats. This is the figure that has been trading over the last 50 trading sessions. So yeah, this is what people are watching, and they believe that may still be the case. Not a lot of the shares are available. So effectively, it's a low float. So here, the extrapolation is saying that it might remain strong up till tomorrow, the 8th of January. Sorry, tomorrow, the 6th of January. Then after that, it may contract and then resume the uptrend from Thursday, the 8th of January. Okay. Projections are currently saying, let's see what we have for MNTS 8.14, 9.51, 10.36. It's currently at $8.7 and rising. Yeah, momentum expected to remain volatile up till tomorrow, the 6th, and then maybe in that session as well, may begin to decline as well, but expected to pick up as well from Thursday the 8th as well, just as the price of the stock is expected to pick up as well. Yeah. So see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.